My name's Whitney Dodson, and I'm happy I had my truck fixed at Autocraft Bodywerks. I'm a proud customer now. I was driving on southbound 183, and I've got a new truck, so I noticed a woman kind of looking at me and started to swerve, and then she panicked and turned the wheel, jerked the wheel, and just lost control and hit me. We were both going full speed, but she got the whole side of my truck. I did a little bit of research, and I learned a little bit about Autocraft Bodywerks and was really impressed. I had my initial estimate of repair from my insurance company, and it was very different once I got to Autocraft. They found so many different things wrong that the insurance company missed. And I gotta say, Tammy introduced me to Christian, who was gonna take care of me. I think he was my representative, which I thought that's pretty cool to have an actual representative working with me. And he went over the whole truck with me, and I can't believe all the different things he found that I didn't notice. So they were really very attentive to detail, and that was noticeable from day one. After we got into it, about a week went by. He contacted me every Monday and every Thursday. That was just, I knew I could always expect that call. That was important to me. It was really done right. So I know that I've got a brand new truck again. When I finally got my truck back, it looked even better than when it looked at the dealership brand new, because when I pulled up, they had it on display with the hood up. It had been completely detailed inside and out. I mean, it looked better than it's ever looked. So I was so happy to see that they care enough to not just put it back together and clean it up, but I mean, they were meticulous about everything. It looked fantastic. So it made the experience even better. Christian walked me around everything, showed me exactly what he did, went down an itemized bill, so it showed me all the new parts they put on. Everything was OEM parts, even new tires on one side. I mean, it was just phenomenal, all the work they did. So if you have a car or a truck that's been in an accident and you care enough to get it fixed right, to get everything the way it should be done, definitely bring it to Autocraft Bodywerks. They will work with your insurance company. They just make everything easy. They handle it all. It's almost like a spa experience. I mean, it's first class. They're very good people.